Today we will be testing the SuperIchi indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SuperIchi indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 101 different strategies, with 29 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail of that up on screen right now to that video. Also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail, so that way you can just click on that link, go straight to that video, and watch that on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 949 indicators, with 395 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the SuperIchi indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so this is a updated or kind of spin-off of the Ichimoku indicator, which has been around for a really long time. A rather intricate, somewhat complicated indicator to use. And so this one, like I said, is a simplified kind of new age version, I guess you could say. And so the source video claims that this is an insane Ichimoku indicator that catches every trend. And so you can see here on screen that again, it is a rather slim version of the Ichimoku. You can see that it still has the cloud here, the Ichimoku cloud, and you can see that it still has the two lines here. I'm not sure what they have them marked as anymore. Yeah, so it's still considered the Tenkan-san and the Kaijin-san in the lines. There are the two lines here, and so other than that, pretty much everything else has been stripped out of it. Now, there are some pieces that you can still add in if you want to, but what we are looking for is really going to be the color of the cloud, and then we are looking for these dots right here. And so these are basically crossovers. When you get a cross of the blue line above the orange, you get a blue dot. When you get a cross of that blue line below the orange, you get the orange dot there. And so what we're looking for is when the cloud is in the red position, we are looking for only short trades, and that's going to be shown when we get a orange dot like this here. And then that would be our signal to then go short. When we have a green cloud, then we are only looking for the blue dot. So that's going to be kind of a signal to then go long. And so that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. And so what's interesting to note is that the cloud, as you can see, is kind of considered a leading indicator. In this particular case, you can see that it's leading price action right here. And so it does stick out in front of price. And so when I say that the cloud needs to be a specific color, this area here, the area that it is showing most recent, needs to be that color. And so not where the signal takes place. So we're not looking at the cloud right here. We're looking at the cloud right here. Just to be clear. So, all right. So the first signal that we pick up is going to be a long signal. You can see the cloud here is green and we get a blue dot right there. Looks like we get a really nice push to the upside there, which is going to come up and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Scroll this back. All right. So you can see there we got the 3 trades within the 1 year's time. And you can see out of those 3 trades, we got 3 winning trades. And so that's going to be a 100% winner on this particular one. Now, obviously, there's only 3 trades on this, so not a lot of trades. Definitely not going to maintain that 100% win rate. We know that, but it did have all winning trades in this particular year. And so we'll put this one to the test in the advanced testing once it rolls around to this particular one. We'll kind of see what we can get out of it over a larger number of trades. And so it'd be interesting to see what it can do during that. Might also test this one another way. I've seen a particular strategy kind of outlined that might be interesting to try, maybe get some more trades out of it that way. And so, but for now, it is going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.